Welcome to the Stress Free Naturally podcast. Find your groove naturally with your host, Ashlie Pappas.
Hello and welcome to Stress Free Naturally. I'm your host, Ashlie Pappas. I hope that you're staying safe and healthy. Before we get into the meditation, I wanted to let you know about a couple things. First, I'm offering a free adult coloring book to you or anyone you might know who needs it, and you can download it at stressfreenaturally.com/coloring. And the other thing is that I am currently offering my Naturally Balanced Chakra e-course on a name your price basis. You can get Naturally Balanced Chakras at stressfreenaturally.com/balance. So today's meditation is going to focus on something that I know that I've been personally really struggling with, and the people I've talked to have also been struggling with the same thing. Right now, during times of quarantine, a lot of us are stuck inside with other people, other individuals, other personalities. And it can allow us to become entangled with those that we cohabitate with. So today's meditation is going to be a cord cutting meditation, a meditation that will allow us to step back off of their toes, remove ourselves emotionally from situations we might be getting mixed into, and allow ourselves to find peace and serenity, even when personalities might clash or emotions might be raging. So before we begin, find a place where you can be quiet and free from distraction for the duration of your meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, drawing the breath all the way down to the very bottom of your belly, feeling as it expands. And when you're ready, release the breath through your mouth, allowing yourself to breathe at your own natural rhythm, allowing each breath to become a little bit slower, be drawn in a little bit deeper each time. Each breath washing through your mind, clearing away any mental clutter, releasing it as you exhale. Noticing if there are any areas in your body that you might be holding on to tension or stress. Breathing into them. And as you exhale, gently give those areas permission to relax and release the tension. Each breath bringing you deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation, focusing on the rhythm of your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out, becoming more relaxed, more at ease. As your mind becomes clear and calm, as you continue to breathe, bring to your mind's eye an image of yourself extending from you are a series of ropes. And you notice at the end of each rope is something consistent in your life. And maybe your job, it might be your partner or a child or even a pet. At the end of each one of these ropes, you see a piece of your life that is important to you. And within the rope, you notice that there is a glow. And this glow comes as it's charged with emotion. And as you look deeper, you notice the rope itself is simply an emotional charge. That its entire makeup is emotional energy radiating in and through you to the object on the other end of the rope. Noticing that this rope may be entangled, a little messy, a little frayed. And through this rope, this emotionally charged energy, it has created the illusion that these people, these things on the other end of the rope, are mere extensions of yourself, feeding into the electrical, energetic, emotional charge that builds the rope. And allowing it to have become as solid and strong as it is has allowed it to send energy back within you, allowing an imbalance and bringing to your mind's eye a beautifully, artfully crafted sword embellished with jewels on the handle, resting in the palm of your hand. And as you acknowledge that these ropes extending from you to those who are closest to you, to the objective ideas of who you are and what you should be, that these ropes are not serving your best interest, and you take the sword and sever the rope. One by one, you free yourself And as you cut through each rope, you feel a freedom from judgment, a freedom from the feeling of being judged. You let go of the rope's influence over your own emotions. You let go of your own personal entanglements, where it reached out into areas that were not productive, that have not served you. And as each rope is severed, you feel a new lightness within yourself, seeing that each person, each thing that had been at the end of each rope, that they're still there. That they're still present, even though the rope is not. And you find yourself in a position to appreciate the beauty of each person, each thing that was once attached to you. Seeing its beauty and its value as a separate entity. Appreciating its position within your life. And appreciating its own energy without taking that energy on into yourself. Finding that you can respect and appreciate the individuality of each person and item without having to be attached. Trusting that its placement within your life is precisely where it's meant to be. And allowing a new peace to blossom within yourself. As you allow their energy to be their own and yours to be your own. In perfect peace and harmony. Take a deep breath and gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back into your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope that you've enjoyed today's meditation. I know that a lot of us are struggling with the ability to not take on the energy, the emotions, the feelings of those around us. Especially if you're stuck in a house for an extended amount of time with other people. And if you'd like to grab the coloring book, you can grab it at stressfreenaturally.com/coloring. And if you want the Naturally Balanced Chakras course, that's at stressfreenaturally.com/balance. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.
This has been a Calm Clear Now Network production. Executive producer Shell Hamilton. To discover more meditation, visualization, and affirmation podcasts like this one, visit calmclearnow.com.